Friends, welcome to all on our YouTube channel Info for EEE. In today's video, we will develop a VI on conversion of temperature. Highlights of this video: firstly, we have create a function for Celsius to Fahrenheit, and second one, we have create a function for Celsius to Kelvin, and the formula for Celsius to Fahrenheit and Celsius to Kelvin conversion are available on your screen. Now let's start to go for LabVIEW environment window. So there is a LabVIEW environment window. First one is the front panel window and second one is the block diagram window. So firstly we create an input, in other words we can say that controller, okay, and we give a name of this controller, cell CS. Okay, we take a input in a Celsius format and convert into Fahrenheit and Kelvin one by one. Here we have convert Celsius to Fahrenheit in three methods. First one regular function, second one express VI, and third one is the expression node. So here we have need three display and three output indicator for Fahrenheit, okay, and again we have copy that function, again we have copy that function, okay. Here we have take a 3 display for Fahrenheit function. Okay, there is a 3 function we have used. First one is the regular function, express VI function and express node function. So develop a function as per given formula for Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. Okay, here we have create a function for Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion with the mathematical equations. Okay, now we have create a function with the help of the express VI. Okay, to select the express VI, go to the function palette and after that go to the expression and after that go to the formula. That means the formula VI. In this formula VI we have write the formula. Okay, this is the formula for Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion and click then OK. Now activate wiring tool and connect result to the output display and input to X1. Now we have choose the last one, that one is the expression node. To select the expression node, go to the function palette and after the numeric subsection click the expression node. In expression node we have create our function, okay, and now we have write the formula for Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. After that activate wiring tool and select output display and input display and input not display, that means the input. So here we have create a Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion in 3 methods. First one is the regular function, second one is the express VI function and third one is the expression node function. We will create a function for Celsius to Kelvin conversion with the help of these 3 methods. First one is the regular function, express VI function and last one is the expression node. So first of all we need a input as a Celsius temperature. Now select a input node and name is that node is Celsius. Okay, again we choose 3 indicator for 3 method. First one is the regular method, Kelvin, and again second one is the express VI and third one is the expression node function. Okay, now first of all create the regular function. To create that regular function, we just simply add 273.15 in Celsius temperature, and after that we get the Kelvin temperature. Okay, so choose the plus for that conversion, and such a constant value, like not constant, take a constant value. Which one is constant? I think that one is the constant value, and 273.15. okay, and choose wiring tool. That one is the wiring tool, and select that 273 and Celsius, and connect that output terminal. Now select express Vi formula. Okay, and here x plus k 273.15. now that one is the formula for Celsius to Kelvin conversion, and connect that result to the output, and connect that node in input. Now we have choose expression node to create a formula, and first of all we have created here C plus 273.15, and again choose the wiring tool and connect that expression node between output and input. So now we have created a function for Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion and Celsius to Kelvin conversion with three methods: regular function, express Vi function, and express node function. Let's check. Click on the run Vi, and now we have changed the value of Celsius and get the conversion of Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Here we have take a body temperature, that one is the 37, and here again we have take the body temperature, that is the 37, and you can see that the temperature conversion in Fahrenheit. Thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe for latest update. Thank you.